Suppose you have year, month, and day in numeric format such as 2021 for year, 12 for month, and 31 for day, and you have to create a date object out of it. How would you do that in Java? Some would say create an object of date class, but creating a date object with year, month, and day is not straightforward. As you can see, this method is deprecated. Another way is to create a date with calendar object, but that would require this much lines of code to create a date object. You need to first create a calendar object, then set its fields with corresponding values. In this video, we will take a look at a much simpler method, local date class, added in Java 8 in detail. Before moving further, do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss video updates. Representing date has become much easier with local date class introduced in Java 8. It belongs to java.time package and represents date without any time information associated to it, as written here. It is an immutable class, which means that once its object is created, you cannot change its state or values of any of its fields. If we go to the source code of this class, you can see that there are no setter methods. Only getter methods are available. Any method that returns a local date object would be returning a new object rather than modifying the current object. Let's look at the implementation of this method. See, it is returning a new local date object, which means that the state of the current object is unmodified. Now let's come to the point. How would we create a local date object with year, month, and day values? Local date has an auth method which takes these three values as arguments. Auth is a static method, so we can call it directly using class name. Supply values. Run this. It created the date with the supplied values in year, month, and date format. This is the default format used by local date, but this can be changed as we will see later in this video. If you want the current date, then use its now method. It is also a static method and gives the current date. To create a date from a string, use parse method of local date. The default format expected by parse is YYYY MMDD. Here you go. If you change the format to say DDMMYY, then you will get an exception. See, date time parse exception. In case you want a different format, then you can customize it. There is an overloaded version of parse method which takes an object of DateTimeFormatter class. DateTimeFormatter class, also introduced in Java 8, is used to format date and time. It has an off-pattern method to define the format that the date needs to be passed in. It works. This can be written as a one-liner. Format this so that it is visible. Once local date is created, we can get the value of its fields such as year, date, month. So, to know the year, use its getYear method. For month, use getMonthValue, and for date, use its getDayOfMonth method. To know the name of the month, use its getMonth method. You can also determine that this date corresponds to which day of the year and the name of the day this date will fall upon. So, you can say that 31st December of 2021 falls on Friday. Local date contains methods that can be used to check if the dates represented by two local date objects fall before or after each other or are they same. Let's create another local date object with current date using now method. To compare these two objects, use isAfter, which returns true if the date on which isAfter is called falls after the argument date. Similarly, isBefore returns true if the date on which it is called falls before the argument date. To check if the dates are same, equals method can be used. Another method of comparing two local date objects is using compareTo method. It returns a negative value if the calling date is smaller than or before the argument date, 0 if both the dates are same, and positive value if calling date is after the argument date. Let's use compareTo with order of dates reversed. Run this. The first three results are self-explanatory, and you must be thinking, where does 3 and minus 3 come from? compareTo internally calculates the difference of years of both dates. If it is 0, then it checks the difference of months. If it is 0 as well, then it checks the difference of dates. Order of subtraction is caller date minus argument date. As soon as it finds a non-zero result, it returns it. So in the first case, the difference between the months of local date and current date is 3, which means that local date falls after current date. In the second case, the difference between the months of current date and local date is minus 3, which means that current date falls before local date. That is all for this video on local date class in Java 8. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.